Hi. Okay, so before we get started, I just quickly want to go over the program and tools that I'm using. So this program is Manga Studio. However, I don't want you to get caught up on that too much because the techniques that I use are applicable with any digital software or traditional media. So everything I do here you can do with pencil and paper, or with whatever other program you're using, whether it be Sketchbook Pro or Photoshop or whatever. The process is still the same, and it's exactly the same process I use when I'm using pen and paper. So let's just go over it real quickly. So I'll use my pencil tool and I will draw my rough drawing. So this is where you'd want to be light with the pencil if you're using traditional media, okay, because you don't want to, when you erase with a traditional medium, you're going to start to degrade the paper slowly. The more you erase, the more the paper is going to degrade. So that's something to keep in mind. So once you've got your rough in, I will switch to my eraser tool, and I'm going to use a soft eraser. So this would be equivalent to the kneaded eraser or kneadable eraser. Now with digital you have two options. So you've got a hard edge eraser, which is like this. You see, nice hard edge. Or you have a soft edge, which is like this. So the benefit of using the soft edge is because it acts exactly the same as a kneadable eraser. So I can lighten this picture up but still leave it showing there, so that I can then use my pencil tool, which is what I do, and we'll go back over, just change my colors for a second, back over the picture and tighten it up. Just like so. And again, like I said, exactly the same as I'd be doing if I was using pencils and actual real world paper. I'd draw it lightly, erase it, then clean it up. Okay, so with that in mind, the last thing I want to go over is you'll see all these menus popping up. Now that's just because of the tablet that I'm using. Okay, so I'm not using a keyboard with this, so I'm not using any shortcuts, and I could just come over here and click the menus when I want to go to the eraser and the pencil and what have you. It's just quicker if I use these shortcuts that I have here with the tablet, but don't worry about those if you don't have the tablet that I'm using. Any tablet will be fine, or like I said, pencil and paper will work just as good. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into the more exciting stuff.